Este es tu martes de 2 minutos.
Dies ist Ihr 2-Minuten-Dienstag.
C'est votre mardi de 2 minutes.
This is your 2-minute Tuesday.
Enormous, instantaneous.
There are 4 basic language abilities. Pupils listen to us as we model the use of words. They read materials such as textbooks, worksheets and displays. They present their work through drawings and writing. They ask questions and discuss their ideas to improve their understanding of mathematical concepts. Understanding mathematical terms and vocabulary can stump many pupils, yet talking in mathematical language is a core competency for them. This is why on Maths Whiteboard I have a whole section dedicated to developing vocabulary understanding. So let's take a look. With Don't Say the Word, you choose from the word bank. You invite a student up to the board, and with their back to the board, you ask the remainder of the class to explain the word. The only difference being they can't say the word in their description. With a word search generator, you choose from the word bank, and it generates a word search that's exportable to PDF. The one difference with my word search generator is that you can actually hide the words that students are looking for and give them the clues, or give them the words but ask them to define the words after they've found them. Now if you didn't want to print this out, you can also use this interactively by selecting the words. With my crossword generator, you choose from the word bank and click preview. With the anagram board, you simply choose from the word bank, and the system will jumble up the letters within each of those keywords. You can reveal at the end. With What Am I? This is about strengthening students' understanding of the keywords and their definitions. So choose 6 words and create a word board. In this case, I've got all of their definitions shown, and if students can identify what the word is, select a box and it will reveal the word. What I tend to do with this activity is actually have a mixture of keywords written up and some definitions.